Welcome back to our channel where we explore natural hair care solutions. In this video, we're diving into the upcoming Beautify hair goal. The next lunar hair date for this goal is March 13th and 14th. We're going to focus on using Neutral Henna, a powerful conditioning treatment without the coloration, as well as our Heavenly Essence shampoo to increase luster, and finally our Pearl Essence Cream Rinse Conditioner for that radiant finishing touch. So let's start with the Neutral Henna and go over some important instructions to ensure you get the best results. First off, let's talk about the tools and ingredients you'll need. You'll need a mixing bowl, preferably wooden or glass, a mixing spoon, preferably wooden as well, a measuring spoon or cup, gloves, vinyl or rubber, plastic wrap or a plastic shower cap, and optionally a cloth cap like a beanie or ski cap. Now, on to the mixing and application process. Step 1. Put the Neutral Henna powder into your mixing bowl. Gradually stir in filtered water until it reaches the consistency of yogurt. You might not need the full 2 cups of water, so add it little by little. Step 2. Once mixed, it's time to apply. Make sure your hair is clean and dry. Section your hair, put a towel around your shoulders, and apply Euro oil to your hairline and ears to prevent staining. Then, using gloved hands, apply the henna mixture evenly throughout your hair. Step 3. Wrap your hair with plastic wrap or put on a shower cap. If you like, you can add a fabric cap over the plastic to trap body heat. This helps keep the paste moist and warm, which is key for optimal results. Step 4. Leave the henna in your hair for only 1 hour. Do not leave it in overnight, as this could lead to unwanted coloration. Step 5. After 1 hour, unwrap your hair and rinse with water only. You can use a drain catcher to prevent any potential clogging. For easier rinsing, you can use Pearl Essence Cream Rinse or a few drops of Euro oil. And there you have it. Your hair is now treated with Neutral Henna, leaving it conditioned and nourished. Remember, if you plan on dyeing your hair with chemicals after using Neutral Henna, which we never recommend, wait at least 6 to 8 weeks for optimal results. Neutral Henna makes your hair less porous, which can affect how it absorbs dyes. Now we're going to move on to the Heavenly Essence shampoo, but remember not to shampoo for 24 hours after a henna treatment. After 24 hours, we're ready for an amazing shampoo rinse with our Heavenly Essence shampoo. It's an amazing blend of botanicals, minerals, and essential oils like green tea, prickly pear, wintergreen, clary sage, and sweet orange fused together for a power-packed mixture. It not only cleans, but also energizes, detoxifies, and gives your scalp what it's been missing. You might have noticed that it has an earthy color, right? Well, that's the mark of pure hand-picked botanicals, raw, vegan, wild-crafted, and absolutely 100% synthetic chemical-free. The key factor that really separates our all-natural shampoos from the rest is that they are sulfate-free, which means no sudsing or foaming effect when you use it. This really lets your hair detoxify and thrive. For the best results, we recommend washing twice. The first wash loosens dust, debris, and excess oils from the hair and scalp. The second wash allows the ingredients of the shampoo to reach the scalp and to nourish the hair using a longer scalp massage. After the second shampoo is rinsed out, we're ready to move on to the Pearl Essence Conditioner. Our Pearl Essence Cream Conditioner Rinse is a soft, moisturizing, detangling, rinse-out conditioner. This conditioner works to eliminate extremely dry hair by balancing your scalp pH and feeding your hair live, moisturizing nutrients. With hints of patchouli and lavender, this rinse-out cream conditioner leaves the hair feeling silky smooth and smelling amazing. The Pearl Essence Cream Rinse Conditioner helps to reduce breakage, increase manageability, and promote healthy, silky hair. This natural conditioner is raw and filled with the purest hand-picked ingredients, making it great for all hair types. Finish your Beautify routine with a gentle brushing using the Boar Bristle brush to leave your hair softer and less frizzy. Our shampoos and conditioners work best in a hair cycling routine along with our 4 other natural shampoos and conditioners. For the best results, simply use a different shampoo and conditioner each time you wash your hair in alignment with our lunar hair calendar. As you can see, this combination of breathtaking products will leave your hair cleansed, revitalized, and effervescently beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.